If you've just switched from Windows to macOS, you probably really miss the Alt-Tab feature. On macOS, you can switch between apps using Command-Tab. However, if an app has multiple windows open, those individual windows won't show up in this switcher. For example, if you have two Google Chrome windows open, you actually have to press Command-tilde to switch between them. This can feel a bit inconvenient compared to what you're used to on Windows. To get the exact same Alt-Tab experience on your Mac, we'll need to install a third-party app. Just head over to alt-tab.app and download it. Once downloaded, extract the file and drag the alt-tab.app into your Applications folder. Then go ahead and open it. Now you'll need to grant accessibility and screen recording permissions for the app. Click on Open System Settings, toggle it on for Alt-Tab, and click Quit and Reopen. Do the exact same thing to grant the accessibility permission. Once the permissions are set, Alt-Tab will start running in the background. You'll notice its icon right up here on the menu bar. Click on it and select Settings to configure the shortcut for the Alt-Tab feature. When the Settings window pops up, go to the Controls tab. In the Shortcut 1 section, I'll change the default Option key to the Command key. If this setup conflicts with an existing shortcut, a warning pop-up will appear. To accept and override it, just click the Open System Settings button. If not, click Cancel to choose a different key. Now, when you press Command-Tab, you'll see all your app windows displayed perfectly, just like on Windows. Also, under the Appearance tab, you can customize the visual style however you like. Alright, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.